Beer, você já nem me disse hoje.
Huh? Happy Friday! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sade Boo. Oh, shit. I'm Sade Boo. If you're new here, if you're not, then you know. But I should have took my camera with me uptown. We went to the Bronx this morning and got some breakfast. Jamaican beef patty and Aki and sausage. My husband got
Sausage and
sawfish. 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 Where that came from, Greg? Sawfish and butter bean. Yeah. With dumpling. And 2 pieces of plantain. Oh, y'all. I gotta start. I'm gonna come up with a schedule so that I can have my vlogs come out, like, if not every day, every other day, like. It's a lot. My mother said don't come back on this camera eating.
Oh.
Somebody's coming.
Additional standards for equipment include all exhaust pipes should be guarded or insulated.
I'm also drinking Island Blend carrot juice. It tastes good.
Exhaust or electrical equipment of any machine being fueled. All windows
and my husband is drinking. Let me see that, babe. This is what?
Pineapple.
Pineapple? Pineapple and ginger fresh juice. And he's drinking, that is coconut water. I thought it was going to say water. Like the W-A-T-A. No. So we get this food from Golden Crust. Every Golden Crust is not hitting. But this one in the Bronx, what's that, babe? 219? On 219? It's bussin'. Oh gosh. Not as cold as it was before. Just tastes so good. I swear, I can look like eggs. I need water. And I gotta use the bathroom. Probably I will save that beef patty for Royce, right? You like the way your food tastes?
6 hours later.
Today I ain't felt like putting on a bra, so Saggy Sally is what we doing today. Saggy Sally. Anywho, getting ready to go get Royce from school. That Aki and Sawfish, once I done it, y'all, just got the itis. If you know, you know. I had to lay down and take a nap. And then I got up and started picking up a little bit, cleaning. And yeah. But I wanted to, on my Instagram, there's a artist who came up and he was talking about boobs, like boob jobs. And I don't think that there is anything wrong with anybody's personal choice of plastic surgery. That is your decision, your body, right? But he was saying from a man's perspective, it was a picture of a woman with her boobs low, and the next picture was like the aftermath of them being done and sitting up and perky and all of that. And he was just saying how 9 out of 10, 100 out of 100, as a matter of fact, is exactly what he said. He would take the natural low boobs over the stiff, perky ones. And my husband agrees.
Spoils.
And
Spoils are excavated materials at excavation sites and are hazardous if they are set
it's
too
like
close to the edge
sometimes
of a trench or excavation.
I think that, this is what I think about it.
By one or more of the following.
Because I always say, oh, I want to get a breast lift so that I don't have to wear no bra. I just hate wearing a bra. I hate anything that is holding on to me here. Like, I just don't feel like that. So there are some things that you can wear that you can wear no bra. Some of us don't have to wear a bra necessarily. But then there's those outfits or dresses that you put on that you have to wear a bra. But it really is to each its own. It really, really is. But I will tell you this. I think that it is overrated for older women to be altering their bodies. That's just my opinion. Well, it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to close out the video. But moral of the story is, and what I was talking about, I guess to each its own. Your body, your choice. But I just believe there's consequences to everything. So if y'all are going to fix up yourself, fix up your body, make sure you go into a top tier, very, 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 very good doctor. A very, very good surgeon. Well known. Reviews from real people. I don't think you should just look at a picture and say, oh yeah, I want that, and just trust whoever you're going to. Like, do your research on the doctors. That's what I would do. I've never had plastic surgery. If I could, I told y'all what I would do. But do your research. Be safe until the next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm almost at 1K also. And I am gonna do a giveaway, but I'm trying to figure out the best way to go about doing it. And if it should just be like, I don't want to say New York based, because I know that I have people who support me and my channel in a lot of different places. So I have to figure out how I want to do it and who it should be and how I will pick them. But yeah, so like, share, subscribe. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so that when I post, you can pull up. Until the next video. Love y'all.